Good morning, students. Yesterday we started a new lesson and we discussed about matter in it. There are two types of matter. First one is pure substance and the second one is mixture. In this lesson we have to discuss about mixtures in details. There are two types of mixtures. I have already told you. One is homogeneous mixture and the second one is heterogeneous mixture. Today we will discuss about homogeneous mixtures in detail. Homogeneous mixtures are also commonly referred as solutions. Solution consists of two or more than two substances mixed in it, and if those substances are evenly distributed all over and its concentration or its distribution is same all over, then it is referred as homogeneous mixture. There are many types of homogeneous mixtures or solution. We will discuss about it today. The first type of solution, that is solid solution. Solid solution consists of two or more than two solids which are evenly mixed together. Common example are alloys like bronze, which is mixture of copper and tin, and brass, which is mixture of copper and zinc, etc. The second type of mixture is liquid solution. Liquid solution consists of two or more than two liquids mixed together and evenly they are mixed. Example is milk and water, and the second one is vinegar, which is a mixture of acetic acid and water. The third type of solution is gaseous solution. The commonest example is air, which is a homogeneous mixture, or it is a gaseous solution. Now other two type of solutions are also there. First is solid in liquid solution. That means solid, one substance is solid and the other it is mixed in a liquid. Example, sugar or salt in water. This is the commonest example. And one more is tincture of iodine, which is used as an antiseptic, and this is a mixture of iodine in alcohol. The last example of mixture or solution, that is gas in liquid solution. In this we can have one example, that is soda water, in which carbon dioxide gas is mixed in water. So these are the various examples of homogeneous solution or homogeneous mixtures. Now we will discuss about properties of solution. All these types of solution which we have discussed, they are having certain type of properties. We will discuss about it now. The particles of a solution, homogeneous solution, cannot be seen even through a microscope. They are so small. Particles can pass through a filter paper. When we pass a solution through a filter paper, its tiny particles can also pass through the filter paper. When we pass light through the solution, no scattering of light takes place. And the last property about the size of the particle. Size of particle is less than 1 nanometer. Nanometer is a unit, very small unit, which is 10 to the power minus 9 of a meter. 10 to the power minus 9 of a meter. So these are the various properties of solution. After that, components of solution. What is a solution generally made of? A solution is generally made of solvent and solute. First is solvent. Solvent is generally present in larger amount and dissolves the other component in it. And solute is generally present in smaller amount. So a solution consists of a solute mixed in a solvent. And anything, the state of solute and solvent can be solid, liquid, gas, anything. So that's all for today. Rest we will continue in the next class. Thank you.